because you talked about central banks, and we have a question here, a really interesting question. He said, crypto is invented to go against central banks. Since Mr. Yanis is not against Bitcoin, does he agree that central banks are doing something wrong or unethical, just like quantitative easing, the printing of fiat out of thin air, and the Federal Reserve's not debasing the dollar to gold?
There are two stories of this. Do I believe that people genuinely need someone to control the money? I honestly do. Because honestly, the system will not work. Financial system will not work. Do I think that central banks are doing something wrong? Yes, of course, definitely. They are. I do believe that many of them try to do the best they can do. Many of them try to find the easiest way. But if we are being completely honest, can any of us give the better solution? If I'm being completely honest, I don't. If I would be in charge of the Fed, can I give better solution? I don't think so. So of course it's very easy to say, it's very easy to read some blogs on the internet. Oh yeah, inflation, so this is gonna happen, and then yes, so the central banks are wrong, the Bitcoin is the future. Okay, let's have this discussion then. Okay, do you really believe Bitcoin is a currency? I don't.
Fair question, yeah.
Because how you can say it's a currency when today it's worth $60,000, and then 3 days from now it's $37,000. That's not a currency. So if quantitative easing is devaluing dollar, I've never seen dollar drop by 50% in 1 day. That has never happened. So I'm not against Fed. I'm not for Fed. I just mean, don't you think that if somebody would control Bitcoin, especially in the last month, many people would feel a lot more comfortable because they would not lose money?
No. I doubt.
So that's why it's a very tough question. It's a very tough question. So I think these two ecosystems have to coexist. So I think we need both. You need decentralized and you need centralized. So decentralized is the ecosystem that can run